So I have this Lenovo T440 laptop and I would like to upgrade the RAM. So the first thing we want to do is to ensure that the laptop is shut down first. So I'll shut this laptop down. Now that the laptop is shut down, I'm going to take out the casing at the back. I'm going to remove the screws, all the screws actually at the back of this laptop. So I have a couple of screws here, or more than 5 screws here that I need to remove so that I can get access to the RAM inside the laptop. So the back casing is out. Now let's look at where the RAM is supposed to be located. The upgrade RAM is located here. You can see when you open, gently raise up this black polythene, you see the laptop RAM bay. And the kind of RAM that this laptop will use is PC3L or DDR3L RAM. So if you just remove yours from another laptop, you have to clean the RAM properly, ensure that the contacts are clean, free from dust and dirt, which is what I'm trying to do now. This was actually removed from another laptop of mine that I have that I don't use that much. So I have to clean the RAM properly to be sure that it's fine. But if you got a new RAM, getting a new RAM is better. So remember, I had the kind of RAM that this would take will be PC3L, not just any ordinary RAM. PC3L RAM is what this particular laptop uses. What I have initially on this laptop is actually 4 gig. I want to extend it to 8 gig to be able to handle what I need it for. And you can also upgrade it from that 8 gig to, let's say, 12 gig also. So instead of adding 8 gig here, instead of adding 4 gig here to make it 8 gig, I'll just add 8 gig here instead to make it 12 gig. Since I have 4 gig in the laptop already, the laptop came with 4 gig already, so I can just add extra 8 gig to make it 12 gig. I think this laptop can handle 12 gig also. Alright, so that is it. I'm going to close the casing and then fix the screws back where they are. So the laptop is on now. You can see that it displays. If after upgrading your own laptop, your own RAM, you discover that it doesn't display anymore, that means the RAM that you use there is either not compatible with the laptop. It could be that it is not PC3L or that the RAM is actually bad. So you can try removing the RAM and powering on the laptop again to see if it displays. If it displays when you remove the RAM that you just fix in there, that means the RAM you fix in there initially is bad or it is not compatible. Probably it is not PC3L. So you can just try another RAM and that will fix the issue. So this has been upgraded 4 plus 4, which is 8 gig. Thank you for watching. I'll see you some other time.